today we are doing an experiment, a layering experiment essentially. So I have 2 cups here. I also have 2 tiny canvases. So off we go. I'm gonna add silicone, Artist Loft silicone, to the paints first. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll add 4 drops to each. Add 5 drops to each. Change my mind. More the merrier. Why not? I don't know, people are always like, don't add too much, and I'm like, well, this is what we got going on. Mix that in. Oh yeah, Artist Loft bronze, Liquitex ivory black, Liquitex in quinacridone magenta. This is Liquitex Liquitex titanium white and fluorescent orange mixed together, and this is Winsor & Newton cadmium yellow, I believe, medium hue. Yeah, medium hue. I had the bottle. So also got a new torch, so we'll try this thing out. The little butane torch picked up. Okay, so I will start with my classic layering method, so just kind of off the side. I'm gonna do more black and less white than the last one, which will be linked up here. Yeah. Okay, so black. I'm gonna add the bronze. Now, because these are 8x10 canvases, I really do not need a lot of paint. So I'll probably only get like a good layer in before I have to be like, nope, too much. Kind of doing a fiery thing. I'll add a little bit of, this is Liquitex Basics in titanium white. I didn't add silicone to this because I also use it as a base color for my canvases. What am I doing? Bronze. I do like this bronze color. It's pretty. I painted my finger. What else is new? Do some of the black. Do a little bit of pink. And call it good there. Okay, so that was the first layering method. I needed to write that down and I forgot. So at least I can see the layers on the side of the cup. That helps. So using a recycled piece of literally canvas thing that I use. So, or that comes with the canvases. Because I want to recreate the layers the exact same through the experiment. So yeah, and it kind of sits up. That's convenient. Ah, fell over. Never mind. Convenience factor left. Okay. So I'm gonna now do this color combination in this cup, but in a different layering method. I'm still gonna obviously put black at the bottom, but now I'm gonna try and like just kind of pour it in, just not off the side. Ooh. Excellent. Like, I know pouring it from this high will just mix it more, so I'm curious to see what's gonna happen. Ah! Wah! And this is why, like, it's helpful that I can still see the layers going on, but this is different. White. Man, I don't even know if I should add more bronze. Kind of went a little ham on this one. So the whole reason I'm doing this experiment is because I know there's like 20 million different, well, not 20 million different ways, but you know what I mean. There's a lot of different ways to actually layer a flip cup. Like, I've seen it done this way, and then, like, I don't know, I think 4 or 5 different other ways now that I think about it. I don't know, getting there. So you can, I'll put it over on my other camera so you can see. But you can see the difference in the 2 paint levels. I wanted it to be more like the one on the left. I have to check left, right, and the only reason I know what my left is because it's the one that has, well, the tattoo on it. Okay. And whoop. I also cleaned off one of my other palette knives, which is so nice. Makes my life a little bit easier. Okay. That should be enough. Ugh. See, I cleaned off the bigger one. Makes my life easier, that's for sure. Alright, so I'm gonna bash my head off my light. First and foremost. Okay. I'm more apt to torch it when it's tilted, just because I'm curious to see what will happen. Woo. That's the pretty part. I don't want to get rid of that. Man, it's actually quite pretty everywhere, but still. It's just such a tiny canvas. It's very pretty. I do like this. I wonder how the other one's gonna turn out. Considering this one turned out so nice. Okay. Let's center. Man, ditch these glows. So, this torch is different than my other one because my big blue one is propane. This is butane. So, open. It's very finicky. Ah, wrong way. This is just cool. It's so small! Such a small flame. As you can tell, it's very finicky, so open, close. And it's just a single click and gets it going. Yay! Okay, so with this, I'm gonna scooch this off to the side and we'll set up for another. So now the next one is more the mixing of the paint style. So we'll see how this one goes. So this one has more paint, so I'm gonna have to dump more off of it. Of course. Because I went a little ham with the paint and didn't mean to. They're still quite similar. I'll give them that. But they're different in and out of themselves. There's the bronze is mixed more through, I can see it. I'm gonna dump a lot of it off this bottom edge because I like this top part. Similar but different. This is cool. Okay, I'm just trying to get more off because there's a lot here. Bring it more down this way and like that. Yeah. Okay. Bring out our little friend again. Yes, I like this. This is pretty. I do like it a lot. Okay, so here's number one. Bring down number two. Or no, number one. That's what I meant. I said that backwards. Into the garbage you go, gloves. And apparently painting my hand. I will get you down for a little bit more of a close-up so we can look at the differences between the two. Because, well, they are quite different, as you can see. So this one is very different in the sense that the black didn't mix through it like this one did. Like, it created almost like a purpley color through here, as you can see. And it's really different. The orange looks real nice. It almost looks pink with how it mixed with the magenta. Bronze is just poking out everywhere and it looks so nice. Over here it's a little bit of a different story. It looks more like, I don't know, girly. There's less black in it. There's more of like a grayish silver color from where the white and black mixed. By the looks of it, it's really neat that cells are popping up in cells and popping up in cells and wow. Yeah. Okay, I'll be back with a flyby. Tomorrow I'll be posting a poll in the community section to figure out what layering method will move on to the next round. I want to know if you like the classic one that I did first where it just got off the side, or if you liked it where it mixed through more. Let me know what one you liked more in the comments. Also, let me know what you think in the poll, obviously, when it comes out. Remember to like this video, share with a friend, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all next time.